All right, y'all, we live. So look at this. Check it out. It's the moment that nobody has been waiting for except for me. We got the slip-on M4 GP exhaust here, and I got the, I had to do it, and to get the carbon fiber heat shield for it. I mean, come on, you got to do it right, man. So that, I don't even know if that's real, but it looks more real than the carbon fiber on here, which I know that got to be fake. But anyways, it still looks nice. So I had to, finish it off right with the heat shield there, but it looks pretty simple of an install. I mean, this bolt detaches it from the passenger peg. This here takes off the heat shield, and then there's one more bolt on there that pretty much sets the clamp to clamp the muffler to the headers or mid pipe or whatever it is, or to the cat actually, if that, it might be the same thing. So we're gonna get this done, I feel like, in like 10 minutes. It actually did come with instructions, but which I'm surprised about. Usually these things don't come with instructions. But so here's a 5mm right here. Take this out. I think we need this rubber socket thing right here. You take that out. There you go, like that. Okay. Pass anything here. I got gloves on and shit, but not that this is a messy job. It's just I don't want to get fingerprints on the new thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. But wow, that's it. This is all. That thing feels pretty damn heavy. That's like almost a 10-pound dumbbell right there. God damn, this thing is huge. We got a spring, right? M4 spring, and we have the clamp. So that's gonna go on there next. Where's that rubber thing at? I guess this is gonna go on here. So here's the M4 slip on once again, super simple. Put this on here. It's like a heat shield spacer, basically, I guess. Let's loosen this up a little bit. And tighten it comfortably, at least. There you go, she's on there now. So now I can tighten it without any problems, and then the only thing we need to check here is just how we're gonna get it on there with the heat shield. So the heat shield has this little space right there for the this little spacer to slip onto. So once you slip that on, you can measure whether this bracket mount thing will line up with the hole on the heat shield. So let me do that actually first, and then rotate this. So almost, it actually needs to be rotated upwards. Let's see. Yes, there, that's perfect. Alright, so right here, we're gonna put this spring on with these pliers. It's probably gonna take a few tries, man. So I need to invest in some of the tools that we actually need. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. One and done. One and done. Hopefully this thing is on there nice and tight now. Okay, let's tighten this baby down. Seal right there. Maybe even lower. How tight? No idea. Better than too loose though. There you go. How about tighten up to where it don't fucking move? How about that? Or to where you can't go no more. There she is. Little slip-on Jeep. Man, is there a baffle? Y'all see that? My last system over there, the whole I think it's a R1M or RM1 full system M4 over there on the MT. That shit came baffleless. You gotta buy that separately. This one, I think it came with. I think that's what that is. Hell yeah, that's what that is. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna run the test to see how it sounds with the baffle in, and then I'll take the baffle out and we'll do a couple test runs too like that. Stop talking. Let's put this on. Okay, this is there. Don't want it. I'm scared to put it on there hard. Good. There it is. There it is, y'all. This with the carbon fiber M4 GP exhaust. Just gotta wipe her down. She'll be straight. That's not bad. Actually look good. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's clean. It's just a clean look. It's nothing special. Unfortunately, it don't stand out like I would like it to. You know what I'm saying? But it's alright. They gonna hear us coming now. Okay. Let me clean this shit up, and then we gonna take it outside. Look what we got. We got the spring pliers. These are fucking, we had to go all the way to Home Depot just to get these motherfuckers. $34, and I'm returning this motherfucker. I don't give a fuck. They're tripping. Alright, so let's do this damn thing here. I already fucked up my damn pipe. Fucking around with this, man. There it is. Already done, bro. That's crazy. Thank you, Home Depot. Putting you back up in there. Nothing ever happened. Don't tell nobody. Things in there. Back in it. See? Bro. Yo. But we scratch it. And the shit's just hot. I just got back riding. There she is. Oh yeah. Let's go.